Hello children. Today we will start English Reader. And you know what we will do in English Reader? Here I am showing you something. So you know what it is? Definitely you know na? So this is beautiful red rose. But can you notice something in rose flower? So what is in the rose flower? All of you see carefully. There is a fly. Okay, can you able to see this fly? And how is it? So flies are tiny and you must be seen in your garden or park, isn't it? So today we will read a small poem, The Fly. So now let's begin. So do you know who wrote this poem, The Fly? So this fly is written by Walter Delamere. So now spell with me Walter. Walter Delamare. So how to pronounce Walter Delamere? So now I have a pic also. All of you just take a look here. So Walter Delamere was born in the Kent country of England on 25th of April 1873 in a poor family. He was an English poet, story writer and novelist. He is probably best remembered for his work for children, for his poem The Listener. His first novel, Henry Barracan, was published in 1904. So now let's start. This poem is about how normal everyday objects look very different to a tiny creature called the fly. We see the world differently while a tiny fly will see it completely different. So let's see how. So in this poem, poet express his main idea with an exclamation point because in every line the poet compare the size. So now see here, read with me. How large onto the tiny fly must little thing appear, a rosebud like a feather bed, its prickle like a spear. Now here underline these two words, prickle and spear. Okay, now all of you see here. So children, see here, there are two pick. So for a fly, small flower look like a feather bed. So here fly compare this flower to this soft bed like smooth feather. And children, see here to pick prickle. So you know what is the meaning of prickle? Prickle means a small thorn. See all of you carefully. So in a rose flower you must see this thorn. So here for a fly, prickle look like a spear. Spear, children, you know what is spear? Which means people use for hunting, and it is one of the most important tool developed by early women. So see this beautiful rose. So this beautiful rose will full of prickle. So when fly sees it from above, the thorns on the flower would actually look like spear. Now children, come to next line. What is the next line? A dewdrop like a looking glass, a hair like a golden wire, The smallest grain of mustard seed, as fierce as coal of fire. Now children, what you can see here? So children, you know what is dewdrop? Have you ever noticed that in the garden, grasses are wet and some tiny droplets clinging to the grass? Have you ever noticed? So that water droplets are dew, and you can see this in the early morning. So these are drops of water, and this you can see in the early morning. So these are dew drops. So for a fly, dewdrops are like looking glass. So looking glass means mirror in which we see our faces. Okay, so this dewdrops is like mirror. See a hair like golden wire. Now all of you see here. Hair look like a shining metal of wire, shining strand of wire. So for a fly, this hair look like a shining strand of wire. If you see here the smallest mustard seed. So have you seen this mustard seed? So mother used this mustard seed in kitchen. So a tiny mustard seeds look like a burning coal, chunk of burning coal. So these ordinary and everyday things look so insignificant to us, but in actual they are so beautiful. It's all about how we look at them. Now children, underline this word fierce. It means dangerous. Now come to next line. A loaf of bread, a lofty hill, a wasp, a cruel leopard, and specks of sail. In place of sail, there will be a salt. There is a little mistake. And specks of salts, as bright to see as lambkin to a shepherd. Now children, underline this word specks. See the meaning? Specks mean a tiny spot. Now all of you see the pic. Now see children, for a fly, food can look like a huge landscape, means high hill. And now see this wasp. Have you seen wasp? Wasps are well known for buzzing and angrily stinging us. So wasp, for a fly, wasp is compared to a cruel leopard, terrible leopard. Now see here, little grains of salt which is bright to see can seems to be like as dear as baby lamb. These images show us how valuable our food is, how lucky we are to have the advantage of size over a fierce creature like a wasp, and again how something as common as grain of salt can be beautiful, bright and sweet. So in this poem, poet look at the things just like the children do without being judgment. I hope you understood this poem. So what is your homework? You read this poem. Okay? And write this poem in your English reader copy. And here are two word meaning also. This also you write it in your English reader copy. Till that, thank you.